just swapped a bird in there because it wasn't getting fed. Straight into a new bird, feeding it. That's what I was hoping for. The alternative would have been we would have smacked it out. So that's good. Hopefully that makes it survive. It is starving. Good. Overeating. That's good. I was just waiting so it doesn't smack it. Pick it up. It's feeding it good too. Alright. It's a windy day here in Melbourne. Put them a bowl of water up there so they will learn to drink because they're eating. Eventually I'm going to have to fix up those other cages and put all these young ones away to leave these oldies alone. Let the old ones relax, breathe. Young ones in there for my trial. Those little bit of uranium in there, in the blood. 7 high flyers, touch of uranium, I can like to call them. The boys are, the girls are pure Serbian. The eggs will be definitely for flying over, just to see how they go. And they've got to clean that one out. But the brother wasn't getting fed very well, so he's getting fed pretty good down over there. And if you're wondering, oh, why are the birds not making the eggs where they should be? For some reason they just don't want to. They want to make eggs in the corners. So instead of them making eggs with no bowls, I just chuck the bowls there, so it makes it easier. No runaway eggs. It's alright. Plenty of young ones got hatched on the field. Just going for young and old. What do you want to see? At least he went straight for the young one. That's good. That one's a proven bird. Flying. With 4 hours, the young definitely going to fly about 6, 7 as an older bird. But that's going to be one of my main breeders. Doesn't want to stay still either.